On the occasion of World Environment Day and World Oceans Day, I would like to share with you a green secret about our daily life. Eco-friendly fabrics, how to make the home more beautiful and the planet healthier. First of all, imagine your sofas, bedding, curtains. Wouldn't it be super awesome if they were not only comfortable and beautiful, but also did their part to protect the planet? That's why our furniture company chooses eco-friendly fabrics in the first place. These fabrics, originating from eco-friendly forests, have a low carbon and energy-saving production process and do zero harm to the environment, allowing you to enjoy a high-quality life while taking a load off the planet. They strictly eliminate harmful chemicals such as formaldehyde and heavy metals, so that you and your family can enjoy the skin-friendly touch with peace of mind and stay away from invisible pollution. Our environmentally friendly fabrics have been rigorously tested by authoritative organizations and have received professional environmental certification. Friends, let's start by choosing furniture made of environmentally friendly fabrics. Add a touch of green to your home and show your love for the planet. Because green life really can start from home. I'm Susu, 15 years in furniture design and production. Follow me, I will be back.